All right, so we got the rest of the crew here. We got Brad. Brad's gonna man the wheelbarrow all day. Jerry's gonna supervise. I'm gonna shoot YouTube video all day. And I don't know what Dean's gonna do, but County Materials, County Ready Mix just arrived with the truck. Back in the day, I used to work for these guys. It's a good little company, actually. Very well organized. So I don't know if he's going to drive on the driveway or not. So he's going to do this one first. Oh, Dean's got a branch, I think, in the way here. They're kind of sizing it up. And then we're going to go from there. But they are early, and we're going to get busy in just a minute. Dean and Brad have been good friends forever. And, well, Dean and Jerry have been good friends, and I forever, and Brad is Jerry's son. So while they're debating on what they're going to do here, I'm going to go back this way and let them take care of what they're going to do. So we're starting to pour concrete. We got the guy from County Materials. I'm going to try to tuck this up in my hat.
What is this guy doing? That's gonna fall in the concrete.
What could go wrong? All right, we're set. We got Jerry. He's going to wheel 2 barrels at once. We're going to try for 4 a little later on with Jerry and set a new world record.
Yep. What do you want to do?
You guys dictate how much you want in the wheelbarrow.
I don't know how heavy it's going to be.
You get some free wood with every delivery.
Well, it's good it's getting delivered here.
That's how much you want in there? Oh, he's watching it.
We're dumping it all the way?
Yep.
I've seen it go down the 2 real quickly.
How heavy is it?
It's heavy.
All right, I'll go a little lighter next time. So we're taking it from here. It's of course going over there. Brad said that wheelbarrow was heavy, and I'm going to start wheeling in a second here. I'm guessing Dean will be trawling and leveling. All right, we'll pick this up again. So we got the concrete poured here. We pulled up that wire mesh as we've been going. Dean is leveling out with the board, and the rest of us are going to throw the stuff on the pickup and go over to the next floor. Dean's going to finish up. He'll be right behind us. All right, so here we are, job. All right, so the concrete is poured. Brad is just doing some final levelations here. We got everything cleaned up. Jerry's chowing down, or was chowing down on donuts here. But yeah, looks pretty good. We got a little splash on the siding, but we'll take care of that. That's not a big deal. And we got everything sloped away from the building now. The final phase, we're going to have to take a little time. And, oh, yeah. We won't tell anyone, but those are my wife's boots that I got on right now. I should probably wash those off. But, yeah, this looks pretty good. We'll God, do I need to, I think we're gonna broom it in a little bit to rough it up a little bit, and that's it.
Your fingers over the camera.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll get the sand out. We had a little too much sand in here. So we'll get the sand out. I'll haul the sand out and clean up the concrete. But yeah, this looks nice. We wanted it, Sister wanted it tapered, so we tapered it on the end so she didn't have a step. And yeah, we're good.
The only thing now is that's a pretty deep step right now for me.
Yep. Yeah. Well, you'll have to just back up to that, Sister, and kind of sit on it and then swing your legs around.
Well, I'm not sure.
Yeah. We're gonna. Yeah, this is it. This turned out good. We feathered it in the best we could. You know, this whole thing sank. And yeah, we probably should redo this whole thing. But we got this up now. And so the water has got to run away from here. Sister likes to work. I think we'll broom this yet and spray it a couple times. And I'm glad we're at the point we're at. Yeah, I've been blessed. I got a good friend that knows what he's doing, and this turned out good. We were able to get a taper on the end, avoid a step here, so we can run the snowblower up in the winter, and it's just easier to walk on and off of there. I'm going to see if he needs me back at the first job site, and if he doesn't, I'm going to start loading some of this extra sand we had. I had a little bit too much sand in there to start with, but we'll be okay. And we'll get this all shaped up next week. I'll get the 1026R over here. I got that down on this end of town. I'll get the 1026R. We'll get this cleaned up, loaded in the back of the truck, and bring in the black dirt from back again. Rake it out, seed it down. Early May, we'll have green grass shortly. All right. Thank you for watching this process, and this will take care of the water without a doubt. Total bill for concrete was $793 and some odd cents. And then Dean's time, the time that I spent setting everything up and odds and ends. So we did this for under $1,000. Good project. I'm not sure if I did a final of Dean's pour, the first one that we poured today, but it's about 3:30 in the afternoon and he's been busy just massaging it. That's what his looks like. And we even cleaned the cement out of Jerry's wheelbarrow. We got that done. Good day. Supposedly, possibly some rain coming in about an hour from now. We're debating whether we're going to cover or not cover. It's setting up pretty nicely. Yeah, we're gonna go from there. So this project officially done.